Play-Doh. No, so they were making magic soap. No, it's like soap, but you can play with it. Play-Doh, but it's out of soap. You also have to mix it with different colors. We need fruits, coloring, and hand soap. Cornstarch, oil, and soap. Now we need to grab the cornstarch and put 6 spoonfuls. Go. First mix it first, and then... No, not first. So you have to put it in first. No, not mixing. And then put it in first. Mix it. You're making the hard one. Inside. Now we need 2 pumps of hand soap. Make sure it's full. That's it. Okay, no more. Now we mix it. Ask your parents to pour a little bit of oil. Much more better to use a tiny spoon, a really tiny spoon. Now we need a drop of color, but you can mix if you want. You can use your hands now. Because it's already Play-Doh. It's even wetter and stickier. Ew. It's not turning magical, right? That doesn't look like magic. Yeah. So why do they call it magic soap? Mine is already like that. Blue. I'm using the biggest ball. Is it dry? Don't touch it. It's not touching. Mine is so pasty. Chloe, your mouth has powder on it. I know, I have a mustache. Do this. Okay, do it. No. Ooh. Now we have to use our magic soap and put the soaps in the water so we can wash our hands. Yes, we have to go to wash our hands. It's sing. And it's a different color soap. Now you can rinse it off. Make sure you sing the ABC. Now you have to dry your hands. All clean. All clean, and I put it in the trash. Wow! This is how we make magic soap. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.